Number 4. Upgrade Broom and Dustpan Set, Silicone Broom, Long Handle Broom with Upright Standing Dustpan, Squeegee. Broom for indoor cleaning 2+1, for indoor-outdoor smooth floors, rugs, windows. Product information brand, Mica handle material stainless steels. Bristle type, unflagged bristles special feature 2 brooms. Both brooms can be used for sweeping, and can also be used for different occasions. The silicone broom can sweep up every shard of broken glass, liquid spills, fine dust, coffee granules, sugar, hardwood, windows, shower walls. Surface recommendation: hard floor, carpet material stainless steels. Style modern package dimensions: 11.57 x 11.26 x 6.42 inches. Item weight 3.23 pounds. Manufacturer Mica Asin, B0 CLNC 2613. Customer reviews 4.24.2 out of 5 stars. 19 ratings 4.2 out of 5 stars. Bestsellers rank #74, 178 in health and household. See top 100 in health and household. #50 in household push brooms. Date first available October 24, 2023.